Hello everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can change profile picture on Google Meet. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know about Google Meet. Google Meet is a video conferencing service from Google. Now open up Google Meet app on your phone. After you open up the app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile icon, which is on top right of your screen. After you tap on it, there you'll see the option of manage your Google account. Tap on it. At the top there you'll see your profile picture. Tap on it. Then a pop-up message will appear on your screen informing you that your profile picture is visible to everyone across Google products. Tap on Set Profile Picture. Select whether you want to take a photo or choose photo from gallery. Adjust the photo according to your preference and then tap on Accept, which is on your right hand side. This way you can change your profile picture on Google Meet. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.